So the first demo I want to do is to demonstrate how difficult sarcasm is and how difficult it is to get right. So we'll be using the most popular sarcasm analysis model or classification model on Hugging Face, and we're going to run a series of sentences that is representative from the data that we're going to be using throughout this presentation. And we're going to just run it through this classifier to see what it comes up with as a sentence that's sarcastic or not. So as you can see here, we have 12 sentences. The top 6 are non-sarcastic or normal sounding sentences. And then the bottom 6 entries are sarcastic sentences. The top 6, we have 2 incorrect classifications where the model thinks that the sentences are sarcastic when in fact they're not. And then even more telling is the bottom 6, which we have 6 sarcastic sentences, and they're being classified as non-sarcastic, every single one of them, with a unbelievably high confidence. Again, the most popular sarcasm classification model on Hugging Face. So as you can see here, out of the 12 sentences, we're actually getting the classification wrong more than 50% of the time. You probably have better odds using a coin and flipping it to predict whether or not these sentences are sarcastic or not.